Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Trello, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Trello, start by opening your web browser. Type in the URL www.trello.com. Once the page loads, look for the sign up button in the upper right corner. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will have the option to sign up using your Google account or with an email address. If you choose to use Google, click on the Sign Up with Google button. Select the Google account you want to use from the pop-up window. If you prefer to register with an email, enter your email address in the designated field. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. Next, you will be prompted to create a password. Make sure your password meets the security requirements displayed on the screen. Once you've created your password, click on Create New Account. Trello may ask for verification. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Trello. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. You will be redirected back to the Trello website. At this point, you can complete your profile by providing your name and other optional information. After completing the profile details, click on Create Boards. Trello may prompt you to choose a template for your first board. Select a template that suits your needs or choose to create a blank board. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your first board. Congratulations, you are now registered and ready to start using Trello. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.